Hey everybody, Desert Guardian here, and today I wanted to talk to you about a newer company called Wingman Holsters out of Florida. So I recently spoke with RJ over at Wingman because I'm putting together a giveaway contest on my Instagram page, and he said, hey, let's get involved with that. And so he actually put together a really nice Kydex wallet here, and for the giveaway, and then a holster for me to try out and give him some initial thoughts on it. So yeah, he makes mag carriers, he makes holsters, Kydex wallets, and man, this is a really interesting concept here. This is his Kydex wallet. So it's a single piece of Kydex, all molded, awesome retention, very simple but effective. I love it. I don't need anything complex in my life, and this is what I need. So the size and shape are for your driver's license, credit cards, business cards, anything like that you want to stuff in it, and they're not going to fall out because of the retention from the Kydex. So it's easy to get in, it's easy to pull out, but you know, when you're of course, this isn't the size of a driver's license, but when you're shaking it with a driver's license or a credit card, it's not going to come out until you actually tell it to slide past the retention point. Everything's compact, small, fits in your front pocket, your back pocket. There's a clip on the back side. You know, it's either a cash clip or a pocket clip, however you want to use it, but nice tight retention on that also, with the little Wingman Holsters logo etched in it. But yeah, very simple and effective. I mean, form and function. It's that's about as easy as it gets. Something that's going to hold on to your stuff without losing it. Something that's going to not be super huge and obtrusive. Honestly, I don't even carry a wallet in my back pocket anymore because it's just too big. I don't like to sit on it, things like that. So I just have a real small wallet. It's usually in the cup holder of my car or in a bag or in my front pocket, and that's where this comes in. This will be great in a front pocket. You know, I carry a pocket knife and or a flashlight on my right side. I could easily put this on my left side, no problem there. So that's the Wingman Holsters Kydex wallet. Real nice little piece there. And this is the Wingman Holsters inside the waistband holster that he made for me. This is to try out with the Glock 43, and you know, it's very simple and very functional. I really like it. Once again, it's one piece of Kydex molded. It has rubber grommets in it, so you can adjust the strength of retention. The dual clips on it, and these are a deep clip on it too. You also have the little wing on the side, which presses on your belt and actually pushes the grip of the gun back against your body, so you don't, you know, show off too much of your pistol when you're carrying concealed. Nobody likes to imprint, and that's what that little wing is for. A lot of people don't know that. So this one, actually, you can run from appendix all the way to, you know, 4, 5, 6 position. It's a very multifunctional holster. And like I said, he put this together for a Glock 43, and you know, it's all set up for my threaded barrel. Let's see, here's my Glock 43 right here. Make sure we're all clear. So this is the Glock 43. It does have a threaded barrel on it. So this guy is set up for it. It has a nice high sweat guard in the back. So the sweat guard goes all the way up. It actually has a cut, so you can do an RMR if you want to do that, or a red dot sight. The fold in it for the front sight is actually tall enough for a co-witness sight or a suppressor height sight on it. And like I said, it's got provisions for a threaded barrel. I love that. This isn't going to be protruding too far down when you have it concealed carry, but at the same time, it's not just going to butt up against the inside of a holster. It's set up correctly, and the retention on it is very nice. This hasn't been adjusted by me at all. Comes in and out when I tell it to. It doesn't go flying when I shake it. So yeah, so that's it. That's the Wingman Holsters holster and wallet. Does a great job over there in Boca Raton, Florida. Hit them up. I'm going to put some links down below to their Facebook and their Instagram. So if you want to take a look at some real high quality holsters, Wingman Holsters, great way to go. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. But that's it for now. Desert Guardian, out.